Alright, so you just dropped more than $900 for your iPhone 15 Plus, and I have here the OtterBox Defender Series XT, and you probably want to know how this case will look on your 15 Plus and whether or not this case is worth it for your 15 Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show you guys exactly how to put this on. Now the Defender Series XT case comes with OtterBox's legendary protection. It has their Drop Plus 5 times tested, the military standard, and all that means is that OtterBox rigorously tested this case with multiple drop scenarios. And what I like about the XT series is that this comes with MagSafe compatibility. The other Defender series unfortunately does not have it, so if you want MagSafe, this is definitely the one you want to get. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, before I start the video here, I do want to let you know that inside the packaging, you do have a voucher for a free holster in case you want it, because the XT series does not give you the holster. It's just the case itself, but I do have a promo code here to get a free holster, so that's going to be buried inside the packaging. Alright, so here we have the case itself. Now there is installation instructions on how to install this, because last year's models were definitely very hard to install, but I'll show you exactly how to install that. And this is in the clear/black color. They also come in different colors as well. They even come with a standard black if you want it all black, but I chose the clear and black, which will definitely show off the color of your 15 Plus. The first thing we want to do is we want to remove the outer piece from the inner hard shell here. So you want to locate these two little indentations right over here. There's one over here and another one over here. So you want to go ahead and lift this up, pull it out with your finger, and you can kind of like move this hard piece up, and kind of just comes out just like that. And that's pretty much it. This is a two-piece design, and to put it on, we're going to take our 15 Plus. Now I have a clear version, so I want to make sure there's nothing on the bottom of the phone here, so I'm just going to quickly dust it off with my hand here. It would help if you had a microfiber cloth as well. You want to take the bottom portion here, and you want to place the phone on the bottom half only. So that basically looks like this. You don't want to snap it into place yet, just kind of like keep it halfway in. Then you're going to take the top piece here, and then you're going to basically tuck the top piece inside the bottom portion first. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and start applying pressure on the bottom right. And simultaneously you want to move this rubber up as well. Start with the left one. So right there, I already have the bottom two corners, and the rest should be very simple. You just apply pressure, keep tucking it in. And that's pretty much it. The installation process is actually way easier than last year's. Last year's was so much harder, so I'm happy that the new XT series for the 15s work exceptionally well. And this case will be compatible for the 14 Plus as well. So let's take a look around the case here, starting with the bottom here. You can see nice port covers here for our Type-C port, just right over here. And then we have nice openings for the microphone and speaker grill. And it looks like we have a little piece over here to probably place a lanyard here. And what I like about this case is that even though it's an OtterBox, it's actually surprisingly very slim, as you can probably see here. And for the 15 or the 15 Plus, we do have an opening for our toggle switch. We have really nice rubberized buttons for the volume rocker here. And then this is going to be the piece for the holster itself if you do decide to get one. And overall, it follows a really nice, simple pattern here. I love how the black rubber feels. It feels really nice and solid. And on the back is going to be the star over here. It's going to be completely clear and transparent. So this is the black color over here. So I'm just going to look at it directly here. And you can definitely still see the mateness of the 15 Plus. So I do like the clear coating on this. Just keep in mind that since this is clear, you want to make sure that you clean the inside of the case as well. You can probably see a little bit of lint there, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Now what I like about this case too is that the bezels of the camera are raised a lot higher than the camera themselves. So if you've ever dropped on a flat surface, then your camera should be perfectly protected. And same thing goes for the bezels of the screen here. We can see that it's raised slightly higher, so we don't have to worry about your screen getting scratched or dinged. However, However, for the best maximum protection, I do recommend getting a good screen protector, and the one that I have here is the Glass XTR3, which I'll also link down below, and that allows you to have the best front impact protection, plus protecting all corners of your phone and the back of the phone, which makes it the ultimate protection. Now I have a magnetic bank right over here, so let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe capabilities here. I'm just gonna go ahead and line up the magnet, and we can see that the charging is automatically charging the phone. So that's gonna support MagSafe charging, and you can see the magnetic strength of this case is really strong. So you can see how I'm holding just the power bank itself, so it's not gonna fall off at all. So I like how strong this is. It's going to be compatible for all types of MagSafe accessories, and that's one of the best things about the XT series, is that you get that MagSafe. So for me personally, I would definitely go for this one because I do like the option of MagSafe. Just keep in mind that the other Defender series, such as the Defender series and the Defender series Pro, does not have MagSafe. Let's go ahead and test out the volume rocker right over here. So the volume rockers are very easy to press. Same thing goes for the side buttons. And then the toggle switch here, it's definitely reachable. You're gonna need a little bit of a, actually it's really easy to basically toggle. So we can see right on the top here where the earpiece is at, it does have enough clearance to have clear audio when you're on calls, and it should be compatible for most screen protectors. You can kind of see here the Glass XTR3 that I have here fits perfectly with the XT. So if you ever have a screen protector, just make sure that it is properly aligned. If you have a misaligned screen protector, then it might lift up. So make sure your screen protector is nicely aligned. And a glass screen protector like the Zag offers an alignment tray that makes it very simple and easy to install. Now, one thing I will note that I've noticed is that the case isn't fully straight. I don't know if you can kind of see there, it looks a little bit warped. Now I'm not sure if that's like a quality control type of thing here, but that's something that I've noticed so far. You can kind of see that it's not completely straight. It kind of like slants over here a little bit. So I'm going to remove this case and show you guys exactly how to do that. So same thing as you would in the beginning, you're going to find these two little indentations over here. You're going to pull it out and then move your fingerprint underneath, and that piece basically comes out. And then you basically push it out with the camera, and it comes out very easy. And then again, taking a closer look here, we can see that the case does have a slight little curved bend to it. And again, I don't know if that's because I have the clear version, maybe the black one's not like that, or could be a quality control type of issue here. So I'm not sure why that is, but this case is so easy to put on versus last year. So to be very honest, I don't really mind it. But if that's something that really bothers you, then definitely take a look at that. It might be different for you, but for me so far, that's the only thing that I've noticed about this XT series case, is that it does have a weird little bending over here. But if you don't mind that, then you should be perfectly fine. So I do love how easy it is to put on again. And like I said, the small little curve here doesn't bother me too much. But if it's something that bothers you, then again, I would maybe check out a different case. But if you guys are interested in the Defender Series XT, I will have the link down below. Now, this video is not sponsored by OtterBox whatsoever. So if you do purchase it via my link, I do get a small commission, and that does help support the Firewolf Tech channel, and I really appreciate that. Otherwise, I hope this video helped you decide on whether or not the Defender Series XT Clear is the one for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, guys.